All right, this evening I'm at Old Glory in Frederick. I'm just gonna do a quick run through. Tomorrow I'm doing a big shopping trip, so I'm gonna be really picky, really selective, and super cheap today because I have a feeling I'm gonna go a little bit overboard tomorrow and I don't wanna overwhelm myself. So I'm gonna go in and hopefully they got some good Christmas out. We got a little Dumbo pitcher. Did I pick this up before? $20. Oh, it's got a cracked handle. Dang. Let me not act like I don't want to go straight to my favorite booth. I cannot help but notice this popcorn Santa. Oh my gosh. I normally don't pay much mind to these popcorn things. I feel like they get easily torn. This one's pretty spectacular. And then they got this one too. Oh, whoa, wait. There's like a whole lot of Santas. All right, I see a lot of Christmas stuff I like. Let's see. First, this little ornament, $5.50. That's pretty cute. And then this guy, $15. I've had that one a few times. It's not my favorite. I can't believe this is only $4.50. What? That's crazy. And then this Japan. This Santa is pretty spectacular. Musical Santa. Does he work? Hold on. So he does work. I think he's pretty great. I'm not really sure what's going on with his neck. Oh my gosh, look at all these other ones they have. I'm kind of all over the place right now. Look at this one. I love this one. $9.50. Well, he's definitely coming with me. Look at his funky face. Let's see if there's anything else in this stack that's really, really necessary. Oh, wow. Look at those. Those are the original ones. That's really cool. Oh, and they have, are these original? They look original, the lucite flowers. $2.50 each? What? That's crazy. I kind of love these. I kind of want to get all of them. First, I'm going to go back to this shelf and see what I missed. All right, we got this little guy. He's pretty cute. He's only $1.50, so I can't really say no to that. This style usually sells pretty well. And then they got the Dream Pets. I think it's a zebra, yeah. Oh, and he's smoking a pipe. That's so cute. I really like them. These have been kind of dead to me recently, though. And of course, I'm always a big fan of these little German mice. This spaghetti poodle caught my attention. He's pretty grand, or she. I'm not sure which. I don't think it matters. It's got a little bit more wear than I'd like, though the price is definitely right. Well, of course, I cannot help but notice the spaghetti swag lamp. It's missing some of the trim, but also this purse. Is this what I think it is? I think it is. I got too much stuff in my hands. $15. That's a really good price. Hold on, let me put some of this stuff down. I'm gonna make a mess. Oh, but of course I just noticed this coat. I have one just like it already. Yeah, I have one just like this already, so I definitely don't need it, but it's pretty spectacular. Let me not get distracted. What was I doing? I was looking at this purse. Oh, it's got the velvet lining too. Dang, I kind of feel like that's pretty necessary. $15. Looks like it's in pretty good condition too, and it closes right. What is this one? I'm gonna keep doing a lap before I put my pile up there. I love the Santa Nodder planter. I hate shipping these though. They're kind of difficult to get securely. $45 is around what I got for my last one after all the fees. Oh, this cherry glass, that is really fun. I love the carrier it's in too. Ah, we have more Christmas. All right, well, something is really off about this Santa planter. I cannot ignore it. It's because it is reproduction. I don't think I've ever seen one of those reproduced. Here's another one. Oh, first I have to look at this angel. She is too sweet. Wait, why is she only $9? I'm coming back to that. I have my hands full. Gosh, I wish they had baskets. Okay, so this is really crazy. I noticed immediately something was off about it. The trim is more like in an Italian style, and these were made in Japan. So I automatically knew that wasn't right. The face is kind of more 80s Taiwan, and then the glaze on the bottom is all wrong, and it would normally say Japan. Okay, so now we do have to come back to this and see what's going on. She's only $9 and she works. She's got some stains, which is probably why. Yeah, she's a little dirty. She's seen better days. She's very cute. I'm gonna leave it behind. I love the fact that it's blue, and then Napco Wear Mouse. Cute, but I'm gonna leave that one. It's not my favorite. I've picked up these Napco Christmas mice. Some of them sell better than others. They're kind of hit or miss for me. Oh, look at this cute little soldier ornament, like its little tinsel feather. And these dishes are always kind of fun. $12, that's about retail on that. And then I noticed too, this is Holt Howard hiding underneath all this fun Christmas jewelry. Oh, how much are you? Oh, right in front of me, $24. Yeah, that's about what I get for those after fees in this size. He's got googly eyes. I'm not the biggest Balik person, but for some reason I really like this pattern. $31.50. I feel like that's probably around retail. I need to figure out what I'm doing here. I'm trying to see if this is any nicks. It's a little rusty, but I'm definitely gonna get this Santa. I know he's not in the greatest condition, but I really appreciate his expression, and he's only $9.50. This one, I feel kind of weird not getting, honestly, but it's kind of an awkward size, and I'm not sure if I want to pay $15 up front for him. I'm gonna put these back and keep this one and walk around and see how I feel at the end. But also, I just noticed these pillows. I'm kind of into these. $6.50 each. They're like brand new. They're in really good condition, even though they're older. I kind of like that. I might come back for these. I'll keep looking. Who am I kidding? This is a great deal. I'm taking these. I can't believe they're only $6.50 in that condition. Oh man, at first I almost thought this was a Christ one. It got me. It is not. Looks more like Fitz and Floyd or something. Look at this Donald. Is that chalkware? Wow, it's in like pristine condition. I can't help but notice these, I really like the owl. Nobody's perfect. That's kind of fun. This is definitely different. Cat wall hanging. Is there a discount in this booth? That's really interesting. I kind of like the mid-century style of the face there. I'm gonna leave it. I'm being super picky. I'm kind of trying to save, because tomorrow I'm gonna do a big shopping trip. Oh wow! I'm sure they know what this is, but just, yeah, $75. Even with 20% off, that's too close. And then here's like another one of those Santas I picked up. How much do they have on it? $25. Yeah, that's about retail. I'm kind of into these funky ghosts. Definitely newer though. What is this weird thing? Oh my gosh. Dang, they are hip to me. Those deer are like one of my favorite things to find. Now, I could technically still make money off those two tall ones. They're $25 each and then 20%. I usually sell those for $31 and they go quick. The Napco Spaghetti Angel, she's just a figurine. I actually have one of those in my shop right now. These deer are like my favorite though, these hard plastic ones. There's a lot of variations, but that's the best selling one I find. I fear I'm being kind of a difficult customer today. I'm going back and forth about the pillows. I'm going to go look at them again. I'm also going to take one more look through that booth before I leave. Like I said, the reason I'm being super, super picky is because I plan on going a really big shopping trip tomorrow. And I'm just trying to watch my spending and how much work I'm going to be putting into this in the next day or two. So I ended up getting both the pillows and one of the Santa Clauses. I only spent $24, so it seemed kind of crazy not to. I was being kind of cheap in there, but it's okay. It happens. So I'm going to go home and rest up for tomorrow's big shopping trip.